Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, in case you might have guessed, and today we're going to be going over Glow Addict, which is kind of my new subscription, but it's only for 3 months, and then I plan on taking it off for right now. They did have a really amazing deal for 50% off of the bags, but it was like a flash sale, so I went ahead and snagged 3 bags, and then I'm probably going to wait to try more of the stuff later on. Here is this is the $13.99 subscription that they offer, and they also have $18.99 one, a $34.99 one, and then they have a skincare box which is $24.99. Now I just went ahead and did the cheapest one because I think I'm already kind of in trouble with my husband for buying too many things. So we're gonna go ahead and open this and see what we have in here. Also, before I get started, I did want to mention that shipping is $4 extra. So just as long as you all know that. So the first thing I got here is Swirl and Sparkle Brush Cleaner by Glow Addict. And it's really nice to get this in there. Oh, it's so cute. It has a little heart in the bottom of it. And I like getting stuff like this because it's something in addition you have to go out and buy. And honestly, in my opinion, if you're going to be having all these beauty subscriptions like how I have, I don't think you should have to go out to the store and buy anything. But you do sometimes. But I'm really glad they did send this. And then we got a Calif Brush Set. And it came with a pouch. Let's see. It's nice. So here's the brushes here. It just looks like you have, oops. You got a good variety of brushes there. They feel okay. They're not like the best quality, but then again, this bag was only $13.99. It was awesome that they did send a brush kit. It feels okay, not very rough. And then there was another piece here, and I actually thought this was broken, but in fact, it is for lip gloss and lipsticks. So we have that in there, and it's kind of neat, so you can put it in your purse. So you can do like quick touch-ups throughout the day. Okay, and the next thing I got on here, and this kind of threw me for a doozy a little bit because on the website it says that they're all full-size products, which every once in a while, you know, it's okay if they slip in like a sample size or something like that. But I only have 4 things in this bag, and one of them is this, which is clearly a sample size. It's a Firming Magnetic Clay Mask by Derma E. So I'll give that a try. Looks like probably only one use out of that one. Next we have Sativa Palette. I think it's really nice that this is only $13.99 a month normally, and it normally always comes with a palette, at least what I've seen in pictures. This is my first month, so I'm not 100% sure, but from what I've seen online, it looked like that you always get a palette every month. So let's go ahead and open this. This kind of like attracted me too because greens, blues, and sparkles. Okay, so there's that palette. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those for you, and I'll be right back. I'm back here with the colors for you. Okay, so we're going to start here. Oh, it's all the way to the left. We have a couple shimmers. We have mattes and glitters in this palette. Okay, and that's just what the colors looked like in there. We had shimmers. We had mattes. Mattes and the shimmers felt really good going on the skin, buttery. The glitter shadow was a little scratchy. Then again, it does have glitter in it. The mattes, I did have to swatch them more than one time to get the color to show for you all, so they aren't pigmented as the shimmers in this palette. But it is all around a really decent palette, and I'm excited to try it. And that was everything that I received in my Glow Addict box of April. Sorry, a little bit behind on that. It was just a little bit behind on ordering it and getting it in the mail. So I will be trying these out this week and posting the review of these products, my opinions on them, of course, as well, on Monday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for... Okay, hold on. I want to see my headband.
Lovely.
Why is it so... Sometimes I feel like this camera just goes out of focus.
Yeah. It's a cheaper camera.
Okay. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.